Okay, so my theory was proven correct. Okay, so all this stuff, see these differently colored? These are indicators for what is to happen. And see that red box that's here? So that's just to indicate that we're standing on something. I guess it's just the hitbox of the platform. But as you can tell, they are indicators. So then these, see, look, then those turn green, and then those change the platforms, and then they all turn green to do different stuff. That one turns green, it turns to ice. That one turns green, it becomes a fire pillar. And then look, we see the hitbox of the fire pillar starting to form. Like, see this looks good. Like, so that proves my theory correct. And I do think that the spheres are part of the camera. Though the spheres here are mainly just like secondary indicators. I don't know what the spheres do, because then they'll all turn red again eventually, and then they'll just go back to normal. So this is super weird, but this does prove my point that they are indicators. So this is a bit interesting. Now this one's going to be a bit longer than the other two because I gotta continue doing this. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just like Deobormon because he has the most HP. Okay, so now I want to show off that. So Ice Palace here has the same kind of stuff, like the same indicators. So we will see that actually. So now that we are on the stage, right? Looks pretty barren of the hitboxes. And it pretty much is barren of the hitboxes, which is a bit strange, don't you think about it? Now this is one of the weirdest stages. I don't know why it doesn't have any indicators of anything. Nothing has an indicator. Nothing has an indicator for anything. Even though this can do that. Right? So, what the heck? Why doesn't this have indicators? Okay, so that's weird. It only shows the indicators when the game is paused. Very strange indeed. So this one's the most unique stage in the game. I think it's just too big to load in all the stuff. I think it would just lag out the game too much. So yeah, this is just going to be a big information dump. I think I'm finding out more about the game than I ever did. Yes, I will continue picking Tentomon and Deobormon. This demonstration. Now I have most of the debug codes on, except for the random memory stuff, because I just crashed my game. So, oh shit, what stage did I pick? Oh my god, I'm stupid. I'm wasting everyone's time here. Come on. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon. So, Twisted Toy Town, I believe, also won't have these because of how big of a stage it is and also because it moves. So, I'm going to test this out, exit the stage, and then go back. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so I believe the stage starts to move. So if I pause it, does not show any indicators. And also the camera zooms in to the middle section. This is very strange. So it zooms into the middle of the stage. And it doesn't show any of the indicators. Even though that would. Well, I mean, it does show the indicator when you're falling off. And it does show that wall indicator. But since it zooms in, we can't see anything else. Okay, that indicator was there. See, it has the indicators, but, like, not the circle ones. So I think only certain stages have the circle ones, which is very strange. This stage is very strange. So that's Twisted Toy Town. So I will pick up the pace here. Just pick Agumon. Because power doesn't really matter. Okay. So the cannery, the best stage. I want to see how the cans work. Because I believe it's just a model switch. Hurry up. So as you can see, these things have a big old hitbox. And of course it doesn't affect you unless you're on the ground. Right? And also, the green indicator things are here. And they're only there if you get close to them. Then when you go in, they turn red. There's also the center thing, which is green. Which is weird. So the center green thing, I don't know why it's there. What purpose does this serve in the greater cannery use? It doesn't serve a point. It doesn't indicate anything. So that's cannery. It's also weird that these ones don't have a red bar. And neither does that. So what the heck? That has a big pit that drags you in. This is a very strange stage. Best stage. I would do this in parts, but it's just faster to go through every single thing here. Go through every single stage. So Steamworks. So I really want to see how this one works. Ready, rumble! So as you can see here, that these big boxes are here, and then they disappear when you touch them. I don't understand what these big boxes do. It's super strange. And then there's this, which makes no sense. I mean, all it does is indicate if it's on or not. Same thing with all of this stuff, but then there's an indicator here. But wouldn't the indicator... Oh, that's this indicator, okay. But, okay, wait, no, that's the... So, wait, what does this indicate, then? Oh, that one, I always forget about that one. So, yeah, this is a very strange stage when it comes to indicators. It's mainly just a giant box. We're almost done here. It's examining the spheres. The spheres must be analyzed. All I have left is Pier 47, Lava Lake, and Rubber Tree Falls. So, Pier 47. So, this one might be like Twisted Toy Town. Okay, no indicators. Pause, maybe? No indicators when paused. Okay, nothing when I touch the floor. Do the platforms have... Oh, this one has an indicator. A wall indicator. Okay, so that's... Okay, so that just... So I think that these big boxes indicate holes in the floor or walls when you touch them. That's kind of unique. Okay. But then how come these ones don't? Very strange. It's only on one side. It's very strange how this works. Of course, we have the invisible wall here, which makes sense. So that brings up the question, are these just all one-sided? It's so weird. Again, no real indicators. Okay. Again, the same walls. I don't usually play on Pier 47, so. But yeah, it's very strange that they only show you the box on one side. I mean, maybe the developers just copy and pasted it, and then the wall indicators on the inside of the object, so you can't tell. I think that might be it. Though that might be a little stupid. If that was true. Lava Lake. Though, with this game's development probably not being the best, I wouldn't put it past them to be very lazy. Though this game has a lot put into it. Oh, that is a lot of spheres. Not to analyze here. So you have this, which doesn't make any sense to be here. Whoa, did I just do... That's so weird. Agumon just moves backwards on this? Okay, so then that gets covered up, but so then these sections turn green, because I guess it's shaky? I don't understand what these indicators are for. If I'm not standing on them? That's so weird. So what is this big... What is this big red one supposed to do? Oh god, this is... Probably should have turned on 60 Hz mode. I'm only getting 50 FPS here. But yeah, like, super weird. These big indicators do what exactly? I mean, yeah, you can destroy this, but like, that doesn't change the color. That doesn't make sense in the context of what we've known so far about these, from what I've discovered. Very strange, very strange. So maybe some people can theorize. Okay, we only got 2 stages left. Danger Gulch, which I am very excited to hear, because I like Danger Gulch. So I want to see what they do. So first off, we gotta pause. Okay. Okay, that works. Okay, we have the destructible. Yes, the TNT is kind of weird. Okay, just an indicator, I guess. Nothing much in this stage. It's really much. And then you got this, which is... Okay, so that's a giant indicator. So now, okay, now that turns red. That's really cool. Okay. It's interesting. Very interesting. So, okay, let's get into the final stage, Rubber Tree Falls. I wish I could upload this straight from my computer, but I don't got Discord Nitro, because I ain't a gamer. So, Rubber Tree Falls is going to be unique. I want to see how this pans out. Ready, rumble! So we have these boxes here, which I don't understand what the point of the boxes are. There's no invisible walls here. Okay, we got the big swinging thing, which only indicates if you're on it. Okay, that's very useless. Then this bottom one doesn't have an indicator, but these ones do, if you're on or not on it. But then, okay, this is very strange. And I do think that those yellow orbs that fly around are the camera. Okay, that's all of that. So take with that what you will with this new information. So that's it. I'm out.